easy craps, $3. Spoiler alert, nothing's easy. And this is regular craps. I suggest you play regular craps. That way when you go to a table, you won't get confused about what's going on. If you get used to the rules and easy craps, you'll be very confused when you play a regular table. And I definitely encourage you to play a regular table with friends. By yourself, it's no fun. Got 4 or 5 friends, you can have a good time on a regular table. Unless one of you is grumpy. That's a good setup right there. I like that. Those side panels really make this game look good. This monstrosity. Really smart, really smart how they built that machine. This triplex. It looks really good. And you got a lot of room to play. Like right here, you need to know the person that's sitting right there. I mean, it's still not real close. It's like riding in business class. It's not like silver 7s in the back where you're in economy class. It's a beautiful casino. These old machines are still around. I think every casino on the Strip and downtown have these old machines, even if it's just 2 of them. These are the ones you can buy for your house. You gotta promise not to gamble with them, though. Pinky swear. Making money, making money. Paying off mortgages, one house at a time. Ooh, look at this. Wow. Paying off his neighbor's mortgage. There's another hard worker right here. He ain't going to work tomorrow. Paid 12. He's going to have to go back to work and shovel concrete tomorrow. I used to live near this casino, very near, and walk through it almost nightly and be very annoyed how crowded it was and how hard it was to get from right there to the Strip. It was so crowded every night, and there was a band here, I think almost every night, right here, and it was packed. I mean, packed. I don't know what exactly happened. I mean, I think they did it on purpose. They wanted to get an older crowd, I guess. I'm not really sure. The younger crowd possibly wasn't making them any money. That's something you don't know whenever you see a lot of people and nobody's, gambling. Or maybe they're not spending money in the club. Or maybe they're waiting to go in the club. And then again, maybe the club is supporting the casino. Dre's I'm talking about when I'm talking about the club. You're supposed to know that. Everybody that rides my bus knows that. This Dre's Beach and Nightclub. PJ Polly is up there a lot. Or is it DJ Dolly? I don't know, but there's some fist pumping up there, if you know what I mean. If you're from Jersey. And then they had live music here every night. I think they still have it on the weekend. But, I don't know. I wouldn't want to deal with the bottom line on this place. Yeah, they don't want certain business, I think. I mean, I understand it, but it's really weird at the same time.